that's for sure. Only lacking, and I'm listening to the fame, but you're trying to frame me. Got the view in the script, rapping, rapping, brothers. Acting up on my cup, it's scary, face is covered. And I'm instructing you, so I can't really want to go. And I'm a roll so till I ride the shut the door. And I'm a matter of slow, pay the crowd, it's a whole listen, cause my shit was getting exposed. You know what's my only laugh, man. Never seen her earn, never seen her way that she been messing with my enemy. Got a hump with the soul, it's my life, so I be on rush, she's so strong, and tell me what I need to know. Not for me, never trust my daddy, never talk so much, and that shit tryna make me put me down. But I try it out for me, nigga. Know me now, and I'm loyal to a nation that is out to get me. Foundation, can't nobody save me. Don't you thought it's been so long, my man is stranded. She's out, you keep my back, I'm never breaking. Since years, so I need to break it.
Alright, please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ lọ jókòó, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
If the media people won't listen to us, the people we are celebrating ourselves should get seated.
Ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin media men fi ẹ̀yin náà fi ọpọlọ ṣe ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn tí wọ́n sí lóyún kọ́ dà ló ti mọ́ yín ẹlòmí kan wo fóònù wa òun náà wáyé àkọ́kọ́ lè rí nǹkan mú délé ni ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yọ́ wọn kúrò láàrin yín tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ẹ̀yin bá ń sà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ tó ẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ id card ẹ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ táàgì ẹ̀ ẹlòmí kan kò fóònù dání ó kú wọn bẹ̀ ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ má yẹ kó dàbí ìdáná ọkọ ẹ bá ṣe normal way ẹjọ́. Bákan náà ẹjọ́ fún kí ìjọba Kósílé aláṣẹ Kósílé global Olúwadámiláre you are highly recognized honourable Ayinla Osadeluwa brother mi kò ní bàjẹ́ you are highly recognized ẹjọ́ next artist not to waste much of our time.
Like I said earlier, all the media houses, please get seated. It's getting wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, in order for us not to make it, in order for us not to water down the concept, the idea, and the goal of this event, I will beg you, don't beg you. If you know here, we will have your career. We will see you for boys. Try to get it one at the other. I don't want to go back. Don't do it to me. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to go to performances this beautiful morning.
All right.
We are about to hit it back to back. We'd like to call on the bad boys of our very old Thai currency to please
on the way
come to stage. Thai currency is one of the foremost leaders in the Fuji music industry.
It holds the background.
Yes, sir. Even in young. Even in young.
Definitely is.
And it is a good thing when your children are doing well, even when you are alive. I am proud to tell you that Thai currency is doing well, and his children are doing well as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the bad boys of Thai currency before we invite them in. But while we wait for ladies and gentlemen, DJ, let's do this back to back.
Should we do a piano? All right, cool, ladies and gentlemen, when we are waiting, hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the red time.
Hey, country, hey, alcohol, hey, different.